Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Today we're having a quick look at the perfect tenses. Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. What is a perfect tense? What does it mean? Perfect means before. So present perfect, before a time in the present. Past perfect, before a time in the past. Future perfect, before a time in the future. The perfect tenses. Time then for a couple of examples. Have a look at Uncle Geoff's board. First of all then, how do you make the perfect tenses? Present perfect, it's have plus the past participle or the third form. For past perfect, it's had plus the past participle or the third form. For future perfect, it's will plus have plus the past participle. Now then, let's have a look at a couple of sentences. They've bought a new house. They have, they've. They have bought a new house. Present perfect. They've bought a new house. Have plus the past participle by bought. Bought, the third form. They have bought a new house. Sometime before now, before the time of speaking. They have, they've. They've bought a new house. Past perfect. When I arrived at the party. When I arrived at the party. When I arrived at the party, Mary had left. When I arrived at the party, Mary had left. She left before I arrived. When I arrived at the party, Mary had left. Had plus past participle. Leave, left, left, the third form. And the future perfect, I will have finished. I will have finished this assignment. I will have finished this assignment by Saturday. Today is, for example, Monday. I will have finished this assignment by Saturday, by the end of the week. Will have finished. Will plus have plus the past participle. Finish, finished, finished. The third form. I will have finished this assignment by Saturday. Here on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English channel, you can find other videos on future perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. There are lots more videos to watch. Enjoy. But for today, the basic tenses, present perfect, past perfect and future perfect, they are easy peasy. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.